Welcome back to This Is Your Mind on AI. We are continuing the Nitwit OS build. This is just kind of the fast track version. So these videos are a lot shorter and I'm just recapping sort of the main point of the live stream yesterday. So you can sort of see what that win was. Also, there is a live stream coming up later today, at least as of my current date and time. I'm recording this on June 4th at 11:44 a.m. And at 3 p.m. today, there's going to be another live stream that will continue this journey on the Nitwit OS. So you can see what that is. First, let's go ahead and let me show you what we got. I'm just going to go ahead and go picture to picture here. So what you're looking at, this is for yesterday. What I'm showing you here is going to be the Nitwit operating system itself. So I'm just taking a test input. This is just like a general riff, something that you might put into a system that's an organizational style system where it's got a little bit of work, a little bit of personal, a little bit of everything coming in. And what I'm checking for here is pushing it into AI. So this is just kind of like if you think about this like a factory system where it takes all of my input and then it just creates everything that I need out of it. So it figures out if I need a blog post and then it writes the blog post. I take a look at the blog post and I go, yep, that sounds good. And then it publishes it for me, right? Eventually. Now it's not there yet. This is what we're building. But what you're seeing here is it actually working for that first step that I need, which is basically taking this input, having it go through a very specific, I don't want to call it a harness because it's not an AI harness. I don't think that's probably the right term, but it is a container for AI. And this is just this is like a machine. So now I can take AI, I can inject it into my input. It'll automatically produce this style output that you're seeing here, which is why I'm so happy in this little video. But the idea here is I'm actually going through, there you go, big me, little me. I'm actually going through there and I'm seeing that it's breaking everything down in the way that I need to be broken down. It's doing the thinking for me. It's using my logic per the logic files that I've built with it, and it's useful. It's up and running. So with that in mind, that was a major improvement over what the last win was. So I'll put a link to the last one if you want to go back and you can see that little 5-minute video where you can see where this used to be and what it was looking like, and now what it is moving into, and ideally what it's looking like. I'm already doing some UI stuff already in the background today. So I've got a little bit of that going on, and I'm gonna go ahead and have that unveiled at 3 p.m. So we'll see kind of where we currently are, and then I'm gonna continue to build live, and I will be showing more of the actual backend, the actual IDE component of Nitwit, which is where all the leap files are. Remember, if leap file doesn't mean anything, that's okay. Just check the description. You'll see the GitHub repo where that is, and you can learn how to do leap files because I'm building the entire operating system out of leap files, specifically because that format works really, really well. Again, leap is logically engineered AI prompts. They are amazing. Please investigate them. And otherwise, I look forward to seeing you on future videos. So you can either go back to the previous live streams or the previous wins that you can kind of see how this used to go, or obviously skip ahead to the next one, wherever that happens to be for you. I'm just a YouTube video kind of stuck in the past. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up. And thanks for being on This Is Your Mind on AI. See you on the next one.